Talent, culture, unity, passion. Since 2000, these virtues are being celebrated at the World Choir Games. Thousands of participants come together to celebrate choral music. It's a unique musical and cultural experience that features competitions, concerts, workshops with famous conductors and composers and various ceremonies. During this 11-day celebration, you'll get to see talent from all over the world, as well as the opportunity to let your choir take the stage and show what they are capable of. Your artistic level or your international experience doesn't matter. Any non-professional choir can participate, regardless of their country of origin, age, or genre of music.
Oh, it's just wonderful to be here to share, our music.
The focus is on participation above winning. Our aim is to inspire people to interact and overcome cultural differences by singing together. Picture up to 500 choirs performing in friendship concerts in public places, dancing in the streets, or singing in a big festival choir.
We all think it's a bit of a dream.
You'll get to form new friendships, exchange knowledge, and be part of an unparalleled experience.
It's a memory I will carry for the rest of my life.
We look forward to hearing your choir at the World Choir Games.